Yes guys, right, so this is part 2 of using GJ's Fortress and Yale Strongbolt decoder. So as you've seen on the previous video, I had this curved wire which is for reading the Fortress levers. Now this is critical when it comes to the Strongbolt and the Yale. Okay, you're going to see it's got a different cranked dog leg. That is very, very important, okay? So make sure that if you come across a Strongbolt or a Yale, you're going to have to turn it around. I'm going to fucking show you how to do it. Oh, didn't last long without the swearing. So it comes with a little flathead screwdriver. So all we're going to do is undo this little screw there. Bish, bash, boosh. Let's see if we can do it by hand. Get off. Fiddly. But necessary. So off you pop, and then you're going to see it just clips off, and you'll see it's got a nipple there for the new one to slide on, okay? So you can't put it on wrong, if that makes sense. So it clips on there. Let's see if I can do this on vid without fucking job up. Get on. Right, we're in. Alright. So then all we're going to do is get in. Stop messing about. There we go. Tightened up. Okay. Tighten, tighten, tighten. There we go. Okay, so that's tightened up. Okay, so again, to introduce ourselves into the lock, all I'm going to do is just going to hook my dog leg round, just give it a little angle, and away we go. Now, as I said yesterday, I've taken the clicker system off. Right, so what I will say on this is, unlike the Fortress, you don't need to squeeze them together, if that makes sense. Okay, so where it stops is the reed. So I'm going to pull it all the way towards me. So I'm on the lever position 1, and then I'm going to literally turn till it stops. Get underneath, okay? So, sorry guys. So I'm just going to squeeze there, and that is G and a half. Hopefully Carl can pick that up there. So that's G and a half, okay? So if I consult my chart, G and a half is 1. Okay, it's very accurate. Now, like Uncle Sefri says, rather than go to lever position 2, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down and I'm going to click to the back of the lock and read lever position 5. So I'm going to do this in one take. Lever position 5, okay, and then get on. And that is F and a half. Okay, so I consult my charts. F and a half is 3, so that is lever position 5. Okay, so then all I do is take it down a little touch and just bring it, jiggle it back until I'm under something different, okay? And then get under. Sorry guys, I missed that now, so I'm just going to go back in. Get in. There's my G and a half, yes. Now I'm just going to bring it back just a little fraction. So I've got a low lever there. Just 1 second guys. There's my G and a half, which is a 3. Just going to bring it back a little fraction, bring it back a little fraction more. There you go. So that is my low, which is at B, which is 7. Okay, so you can see you can miss this. And now I'm going to pull it back a little bit more, and I should be able to get to another 3, if that makes sense, which is a G and a half. Yes, can you see that, Carl? Yeah, G and a half is a 3. Okay, so all we got left is lever position 2. So I'm just going to give it a little jiggle. Jesus Christ, I'm sorry guys about what you can hear outside. And that is bang on a G, okay? So that would make that a 2. So I've got all 3 high lifts in there. Let's go back to position 1 and just confirm that. That is definitely G and a half. Yeah, G and a half, keeping my tool straight. I'm going to click it in just a little touch more. There's my G, which is a 2. Then give it another little nudge. There's my F and a half, which is a 3. And then I'm just going to try and get underneath that really, really low one. Where have you gone? There it is. There's my really low, which is my B, which is my 7, sorry. Okay? And then last but not least, let's try and get onto that 3 again. F and a half. Okay? So the final code to that lock, so you can see, just stay yourself inside the lock. The final code to that lock is 1, 2, 3, 7, 3. And I'm just going to load the pins up in my fucking pin cam. Alright, I can't be arsed. So 1, 2, 3, 7. Do put grease in, guys, don't be lazy like me. 3. Look at that. That's some severe bits in that, and then we're just going to go in and go into lock. There we go, got the lock, guys. Okay. Yeah, so just like the Fortress, start at position 1, confirm that reading, jump to the back, leave at position 5, and then obviously 5 should be the same as 3, and just work your way through, guys. It's really, really, really easy. Okay, guys? So that's the Yale and the Strongbolt done. The next video, I will be showing you how to reverse the hand in to basically read them both sides. Alright, guys, take care, dream big.